Are you ready, kids?
Aye, Captain!
I can't hear
Ladies
you.
and gentlemen,
Aye, Captain!
Oh!
let's send out a warm welcome to our newest addition to our
Absorbent and yellow and
special
porous.
project. Say hello to Flats the Flounder.
Something you wish.
His favorite hobby?
Then drop on the deck and
Kicking
drop like a
people's
fish.
butts.
Ready?
Or at least kicking other fishies' butts. I mean, that's his way of saying he wants to hang out with you and even play with sports. I mean, if this guy, well, he has this thing about people talking to strangers, as seen with his father. And remember that time people mistook an old guy for the same dude who's gonna kick SpongeBob's butt? They were all like, "So, you like kicking butts, do ya? Well, we'll show you, old man! There he is! Let's get him!" That was really disgusting. Am I right, folks? I mean, who would attack an elderly? I wouldn't. Blech. Disgusting. People who kick elderly's butts makes me sick. Who here else agrees with me? Anyway, that is how you draw Flats the Flounder. And anyways, now would you excuse me? I'm gonna go kick some fish butt.